Hello there. Let me introduce myself. I'm one of the people who helped to put words to that music you've just heard. Patrick Allen's my name, film and TV star and voice extraordinary, or so they say, but that's another story. What's so important about that music? Two things. First, it is a very catchy tune, and you'll be hearing a lot of it in the near future. Secondly, it's the music that goes with a new series of television commercials the Wrigley Company is making for use in this country. In the United States of America, the same sort of commercials have been running recently, and their effect has been tremendous. Not only have sales increased substantially, but the commercials have been rated in the top 3% by an independent research organization. So let's hear it again, this time with the singing voices of Johnny Johnson and his group, and me doing the hard sell.
Wrigley Spearmint Gum, Gum, Gum. Wrigley Spearmint Gum.
Carry the big fresh flavor wherever you go, whatever you do. It's the finest pack of flavor wherever you go, whatever you do.
Wrigley Spearmint
Flavour
Gum.
this big shouldn't be left behind, so wherever you go, carry a pack of Wrigley's Spearmint Gum.
It's the finest spearmint flavor, the great Wrigley taste, delicious to chew.
Wrigley Spearmint Gum.
The big fresh flavor.
In the United Kingdom, the television campaign will be one of the heaviest your company has ever had. Every television station will be transmitting the commercial, and careful time buying will ensure that both young and old will see it. In fact, you can take it for granted that everyone who watches television will see the commercial. There will be over 100 spots transmitted in every television area from now until the end of the year, and that's a lot of advertising. In addition, there's all the point-of-sale material featuring Biddy Lampard, the girl in the red coat. So when you make your merchandising calls, go in with your head held high, as Biddy does, and carry the story of Wrigley Spearmint's big fresh flavor wherever you go and whatever you do. Because a story this big should never be left behind. Well, good luck and good merchandising. But before I go, let's have that soundtrack just one more time.
Wrigley Spearmint Gum, Gum, Gum. Wrigley Spearmint
Carry
Gum.
the big fresh flavor wherever you go, whatever you do. It's the finest pack of flavor wherever you go, whatever you do.
Wrigley Spearmint
Flavour
Gum.
this big shouldn't be left behind, so wherever you go, carry a pack of Wrigley's Spearmint Gum.
Spearmint
It's the
Gum.
finest spearmint flavor, the great Wrigley taste, delicious to chew.
Wrigley Spearmint Gum.
The big fresh flavor.